first parts of the assembly. For the I'm going to save one, and I'll start with the first one, which was just called the deck support. So save. It's a very simple drawing. For the top view, draw a circle, 12 nails, draw an extrude of 10 nails. On top of this, draw another sketch, 20 nails, draw an extrude, and 100. Put in the drawing, go in the top view. A circle with 12 nails and an extrude of 10 nails. The end of that part. Then I'll open another page and then I save. I can use deck, maybe you call it cup. So I save that one. Then for this one, in the same way, I'll start with the small side. I will draw a circle, 12 mils, draw an extrude of 10 mils, and then I'll draw another circle. And this time, this circle is going to be 30. And then extrude it the full length, which will be the 25 here plus 15, and that is 40. So I put 40 mils, and on top of this, I'm going to put a fillet, surface fillet of 15 mils to create that shape. And that finishes off this last drawing, and from here we're just going to the assembly.